Kasi pwedeng maging tanong, bakit kinakailangan na tayo ay manumbalik sa Diyos? Why should we be led back to the Father? Sabi sa banal na kasulatan, sabi ni Propeta Isaias, sa Isaiah chapter 59, verse 1 and 2. Isaiah chapter 59, verse 1 and 2. Ano ang sabi ng salita ng Panginoon? Behold, the Lord's hand is not shortened that it cannot save, neither his ear heavy that it cannot hear. But your iniquities have separated between you and your God, and your sins have hid his face from you, that he will not hear. Why? Because we as men are separated from God.